Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we will share the details for the Nintendo eShop error code 2813 9712. This error occurs when you are unable to connect to the Nintendo eShop and receive error. According to our research, this error happens when the Nintendo eShop times out due to inactivity. It may also occur if there is a temporary service outage related to the Nintendo eShop on the Nintendo Switch. The first thing you should try is to return to the home menu and attempt to access the Nintendo eShop again. If the error persists, visit support.nintendo.com/network-status and check for any posted service maintenance or outages. If there is an ongoing maintenance or service issue, wait until it is resolved and then try accessing the Nintendo eShop again. If there are no reported outages and you continue experiencing the issue for an extended period, contact Nintendo support for further assistance. Meanwhile, ensure that your Nintendo console is updated to the latest version and that your internet connection is working properly. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.